Hello guys, you are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to roll back or downgrade iOS from iOS 26.0 to iOS 18.5 or 18 or maybe 17's. Either it is a signed IPSW or unsigned iOS, of course. This can be possible, but of course if you watch step by step and do it, if your iPhone is not recommending to a downgrade, however, of course, by these techniques you can downgrade. So don't worry, without losing any data, without jailbreaks is not required, and upon also without any hassle at your home with the help of laptop or PC you can do it, not automatically. So see, firstly I would like to show you here. If I backs, and then of course we will have to come in a setting. So let's see, tap on a setting to, of course we will come in a general and click on a general to, of course click on a software update, and it thinks that it's up to date, guys. Here of course see here it's up to date. This is a beta version that I have now. Here we can see this up to date. We don't have any opportunity. If we go for automatic off, then what will happens? There is no options. Here is also no options to a downgrade. So how do I especially downgrade? We will see live here now. Yes, we are up to date. So for everything, just you will have to go for an administration. That is a 3U tool, guys. This is a 3U tool that connect your data cable and click on a refresh options. Now it's recommending that 18.5 plus 18.6 beta version, and right now is a 26. How do I go for 17? For 17 iOS, click on a firmware options, and here see this will be open here. Now 17 iOS, we will check it out here. We can go for download and the phone. A little changes in updates options, and of course you can install Unsigned IPSW. To know if you would like to install Unsigned IPSW, raise the comment below the comment box. I will give you the clue by one changes you would be able to install it. But right now let's see signed IPSW. How do I click on easy flash, and upon, of course we have two options. Either we can download or we can import. So suppose here we would like to the imports. Similarly, IPSW 17, this can be imported. So here right now we would like to the imports. So how would I just simply let's imports. We have kept on this desktop this IPSW. So now it has been imported quickly. Now see what we will do, guys, here right now. Simply just without losing any data, if we would like to then we will select the retain user data. If we click on a retain user data, what will happen here, guys? If we click on a retain user data, then it would be all the apps and application would be retains. If you go for quick flash, then of course you will be able to lose your data. If you go for fixed flash, then of course you are going to only once you will lose everything, so all the data, but you will be able to go for the fix. This option is specialized for when iOS is damaged and it has been stuck on the Apple logo, then of course we will go with anti-recovery. Means you want to be able to recover any data, so just we will go for the retain user data by using let's say tap. So it's asking the fixation of this thing, etc, etc. Just we will go for here. So now here we will have to click on a yes, then it will start it to. Now see here. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. For the main inquiry, of course you can add the query below the comment box. Plus would you manage to reply your query, because it will take a much more time, guys. So thank you. Now it has gone, especially in the recovery mode. So this is all about, guys. Thank you very much indeed.